Alright, here's a quick tutorial on how you can appear offline in Roblox if you want to play solo and just chill out. So we want to navigate to this gear icon here in the top right corner, just press on it and then select settings. From here we want to select the third option on the left, which says privacy, and we need to scroll down and disable some settings. So first off, who can message me? Press on the drop down menu and change this to no one. Who can chat with me in app? Again, no one. Who can chat with me? Change this to no one as well. Then scroll down a little bit further under other settings, change all of these three again to, you guessed it, no one. This way you can play and chill out solo in Roblox. Thank you for watching, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.